You. Because to me, alright, boom. So what's success to you? Is success having a nice car, big house, bunch of women, jewelry? You know, is that what you constitute as success? Or is success you having a family, house, good job? You, is that your definition of success? Because to me, neither one of those define success. To me, success is about completion and attaining my goals. So, you know, whatever the goal may be, I could be after a specific female, and you know, if I, you know, if I'm, or not just specific female, or looking to close a deal. If I'm successful in my endeavors, that's, you know, if I complete my endeavors, then that's success, because these are my particular goals that I'm aiming for. So for me, that equates to success. But even if I'm after a specific woman or trying to close a certain deal, and let's say I don't get the woman, or you know, I lose money on the deal, as long as I learned, if I see where things went wrong, then it's still a success, because now I learned what not to do, so I'll never do those things again. This way, that way, it'll keep me from making these mistakes, these costly lessons, whatever they may be. And that's a success in its own, because now I acquired information that I would not have had before. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, it's part of what's your goal. If you have specific goals, and one of your goals, like for me, is to consistently better myself, that's always going to be an attainable goal, because I'm always looking for ways to better myself. You know, whether it be through learning, handling, whatever. So I always look for the silver lining in, you know, whatever the situation may be. It may be a real foul situation, you know, and I'm gonna look to see what I can get out to make me better out that situation. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I see success, is the attainability and accomplishing your goals. You know what I'm saying? That's success for me.